Welcome to Easy Learning. Exercise number 204. Arrangements are often for bankers to make advance against shipments, or advances on acceptance. Full stop. The banker forwards the documents to his agent abroad, who presents the bill of exchange for acceptance or payment, upon which the agent will surrender the shipping documents. Full stop. The London office of the bank will be advised, and the shipper will be credited with the margin, or difference between the advance made and the amount of the bill. Full stop. Instructions are often given to remit draft on Paris, to remit proceeds of bill by telegraphic transfer, or to cable exchange rate, and telegraphic codes are employed. Full stop. These usually consist of keywords or figures, each word or group of figures representing a complete sentence. Full stop.